linguine with artichoke hearts in green asparagus, and we're making a ricotta lemon mixture to put on the top.
Yum.
So this is, I mean, pancetta, of course. How could you not cook with a little bit of meat just to give it some flavor?
My sister doesn't even care for pork. She will eat anything with pancetta in it. So I'm like, I try and give her the math on that, but whatever. I'm just happy she eats it. She's like, well, that's just flavor.
So now we're going to cook pastas. 9 ounces of fresh linguine and 3 cups of water go in.
I love this technique of cooking pasta and not a ton of water. It's so easy and so, like, boom, it's done. It's kind of like magic.
Well, it also makes a sauce, which is nice. So let's get the heat up here. So just bring this up to a simmer, put the top on. It's 3 minutes, and the pasta's almost done. And then we're going to layer in the vegetables on top of that, put the top back on, another 2 minutes, and everything's done, which is amazing. So asparagus cut into, and you should get the thin, like pencil-thin ones, because they'll cook faster on top. And you don't want to mix them in. Just leave it on top. Artichoke hearts, like cut them into quarters. Again, they're already cooked, obviously, but so
I like the ones you get in the produce department that are charred on a grill. I mean, they're already cooked, but I love that little smoky flavor. It's kind of fun.
This is half a cup of whole milk ricotta, the only kind you should ever buy. Never
I like
buy.
sheep's milk ricotta too.
But I don't want 0% fat
No,
ricotta.
Especially if you're going cow's milk, give me the full fat, always. Yogurt too, everything. If you're gonna eat it, eat it.
So half a cup of mint, half a cup of ricotta, some lemon, and there we are, yeah.
Just that on a slab of bread, I'd be good. We've got a done one down here. I don't know if you want to skip ahead. Does this one already have the cheese in it? You want to add the cheese to this one?
We're going to add a little cheese to it, yeah.
All right, so here's the finished dish. But you top it with the ricotta, right?
Yeah, and we can put a little butter in.
Oh, butter. Did you see that? Did you see that smooth move? A little butter and the grated cheese?
Well, I was told I couldn't come on the show unless I put butter in it, so.
Everything is better with butter,
right.
baby. And today, everything is better with butter and lemon. And then we'll pile that into the dish. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And top that with a fat dollop of the lemon ricotta. Oh. Christopher has 8 cookbooks. This is his 9th. It's available now, yes?
Yeah.